Hey everybody, I've been experimenting with my rice cooker a lot the last 6 months. This is probably the best recipe I've ever come up with. And it's really cool because I haven't seen anybody else on YouTube make this, which is extremely unusual. Inside the rice cooker, I've only got rice and some frozen chicken and vegetables and spices and so on. That's completely normal. In the top, however, we're going to put in the steamer basket some tortillas. And we're going to add a little bit of summer sausage. You actually don't need to use the sausage. The main thing is going to be the cabbage and the cheese and the spices. But I like the summer sausage. This is something Wisconsin premium summer sausage. Next, the spices. Now, you're going to add what spices you like. I'm adding garlic and parsley. And then some hot sauce. If you don't like hot sauce, just add a little ketchup. Actually, I like it, but my stomach doesn't like it that much. But I'm almost out of ketchup. Now, add these little slicers are great for the cabbage. They make it super thin, and that's what you want because it's not going to cook for very long. It's going to be steaming at the top while the rice and the chicken is cooking. I didn't purchase the rice cooker for the steamer basket, but since I started using it, I find out that I like it just as much as what the rice cooker does. Now we're using some shredded cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like. If you don't like cheese, maybe you should think about unsubscribing. I'm sorry. Now, where's the spoon? Like I said, the chicken is in there with the rice and it's frozen. I'll show you in just a second. We're going to put it against the side here. You could put 3 in here if you wanted to, because there's space in the middle. Let me show you what's in there. Can you see? All we got in there is some chicken and some peas and carrots and rice. I put the turmeric in there to give it a nice yellow color. Now this is going to steam while the rice is cooking, and it's going to make like a big dumpling. Come back and show you when it's done. Okay, everybody, it's time. Let's see what we got there. Oh yeah. So we made 2 incredibly delicious cabbage, cheese, and sausage dumplings. And I've never seen anybody else do this. Take out. And in the bottom we have the chicken and the rice. I always put turmeric in the rice and it makes it nice and yellow. But you didn't come for the chicken and rice, you came for the tortilla made into a dumpling. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Like I said, you don't have to add the sausage, but you do want to add the cabbage and the cheese. It's super soft, very moist and tender, flavorful. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, very nice. So give this a try. Tortilla dumplings with cabbage, cheese, and sausage. I think you're going to like it.